Hello friends, today I am going to show you a very interesting transformation, that is Android to S9 Plus. Okay, so let's start. So I've seen into transformation as RS follows: S9 launcher, model status bar, S9 camera, S9 Plus screen. So we will install it by one. So let's install S9 launcher. So it will be look like this. After this, I need to start up. So it will look like this. This is S9 launcher. The next step we will need that is S9 camera. So S9 camera. So it will look like this. After installing, just open this, and then you can find. See, it will be look like S9 camera. Some ads are irritating, but yes, it look like S9 camera. The next step, you need to lock screen for Galaxy S8. So it will be lock screen is not changed in S9 as it look like S8. So Galaxy S8 Edge. So this is look like this. Then enable lock screen.